Goburu Oginga to chaka ni gwichi manyien kane twak ewi ng'eto mar doho mane owito oko ng'eto mar spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula mar yango Kenya Kwanza kaka kweth jo od bura mathoth okelo ywaruok kod sinema e od bura mamalo kod senate. Jo od bura kod senators mag Azimio monde od bura kendo bete kombe mag kweth jo od bura mathoth kendo weyo jowetegi mag Kenya Kwanza ka gwonyo wiye.
The court actually infer that because of the position you hold as Speaker and also as Chairman of your party, Mr. Speaker, it is not, as party leader of your party, Mr. Speaker, it is not possible for you, to be fair, you are going to be conflicted when you are conducting the matters of this House. Mr. Speaker, I therefore humbly request you to step down and mandate Honorable Gladys Bosch-Sholei to take over in discharging the functions as the Speaker because of your conflict of interest.
I'll dispose it off as follows. One, there's no motion before the House about the Speaker. Number two, I am a senior lawyer in this country, and I'm your senior Millie Odhiambo. I have read that judgment with a tooth comb, and there's nowhere it requires the Speaker to do what you are saying. More particularly, the final findings of that judgment, which as a distinguished learned friend, we had an opportunity to read through together today. That judgment does not cast aspersions on the Speaker presiding on such proceedings.